Is your handwriting in Samsung Note a bit messy? Want your letters to look cleaner automatically? In this video, I will show you how to use the Fix the Shape of Letter option inside Handwriting Help on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And remember, this works only when using the S Pen in pen mode. First, open Samsung Note. Then open any note you want to write, or you can create a new one. Tap the Handwriting Help icon at the bottom. Tap Setting. Here, turn on Fix the Shape of Letters. Next, remove your S Pen. And make sure it's in the pen mode. Now, write something with your S Pen. As you can see, your phone will automatically clean and correct the shape of the letters once you finish writing. And that's it. With one simple switch, while using the S Pen in pen mode, your handwriting becomes cleaner on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.